back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. I think I'll switch on this light little better. Most of my videos I record during the night time because I work in night shift and most of my daytime I'll be sleeping. So welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about palak chicken, and this palak is very special because me and my dad have grown it. I know it's really for the first time that we have tried it, and it is said, right, people say the food that you grow it with your own hands, with your own effort, tastes more good. I can honestly say it was really good. So this is the palak that we have grown. We have just grown it on one pot.
బ్రీడ్కి దీనికి హైబ్రిడ్కి ఏముంటుందంట ఒక్క ఇది ఒక్క సీడ్కి వచ్చిన ప్లాంట్ ఇట్లనే సింగిల్గా వస్తుంది. హైబ్రిడ్కి అయితే థిక్గా వస్తుంది, బంచ్ లాగా వస్తుంది, స్మెల్ ఉండదు. ఇది లోకల్ కొత్తిమీర అంటుంది, ఇది చాలా స్మెల్ ఉంటుంది.
ఇది లోకల్ కొత్తిమీర. So that was my dad explaining about the difference between local coriander and the hybrid one. He just says that the local coriander is much better and it has got good flavor and fragrance. So today's chicken curry that we are making is going to be very simple, just like we make as a normal chicken. So without any further delay, let's get started. So firstly we need palak. Unfortunately we got this much palak in our vegetable garden. I guess we have done some mistake while growing it, hence the leaves are small. Anyways, I'm going to wash it and keep it aside. Now I'm going to chop the onions. We need to chop it in a very small size. If I do it with my hands it will take years, I guess, so I'm using this kitchen tool. I guess kitchen tools will make our work so easy, right? So it has just chopped within 5 minutes. I have chopped my onions and tomatoes. So I have got all my ingredients on the kitchen counter to make sure that I'm not running back again to the fridge to get the ingredients. So first I'm going to add some oil in a pot, and into this I'm going to add onions, coriander leaves, some green chilies, and close the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes until onions are translucent. Having cut your onions such a thin slice gives you good gravy. So now I'm going to add soy kura. I have googled the name and found it is to be DILL, so you can easily find it in market. Now I'm adding ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric powder. Then I'm going to mix this and saute and fry it until I get rid of the raw smell of ginger garlic paste. After about 4 to 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. Then into this I'm going to add the chicken and mix it well. I'm going to put on the lid and let the chicken cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until it leaves the water and becomes dry. And then in this I'm going to add some garam masala powder or chicken masala powder, whichever is available. You can add that. And then after 2 minutes, then I'm adding chili powder. You can add it according to your taste. Mix it for a bit and immediately add tomatoes, because we have added chili powder. It may get fried. If it gets over fried it won't be that good. So I've closed the lid and cooked for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to mash one of the chicken piece to test if it is cooked or not. And here the chicken has cooked nicely. Now finally into this, after this I'm going to add palak and place the lid and let it cook for some more time. The reason I added palak in the end is because we don't want palak to be completely cooked. We want all the flavors in the chicken, so I added in the end, right before my chicken is nicely cooked. In that way you can get more of the spinach flavor. So meanwhile I have some dishes which I have rarely used, so I'll just rinse it up with water because they don't need too much of cleaning. I think rather than leaving on the sink to be cleaned, it would be better if we can clean them then and there. It really makes our kitchen more clutter free and more clean. So this is how I do it. So after about good 4 to 5 minutes, our chicken curry is ready to be served. It's really good. So that was the recipe. I hope you like it. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. I'm going to make some cooking vlogs. I thought my videos are becoming too monotonous, so I'm trying to make it interesting with some vlogs, with some talks. I hope it works out. I really hope it works out. Okay. That was palak chicken. I can honestly say it was too good. If you haven't tried, I see most of the people have already started growing their own vegetables and green leafy vegetables. I and my father are super encouraged and super motivated in doing that. So we started planting even more. It kinds of gives you a great satisfaction of cooking your own meals. Even though Corona has done so much of bad things, I think for some people, even through the bad things, if you look at these kind of small things, you have got a lot of time to spend with your family, lot of time to invest on yourself. I mean, the time you can invest on yourself, develop some new skills, create a new hobby. These all are really precious. We won't get this kind of time once again. So I think we all have to cherish these moments, be happy about with the things that we have. Do let me know what do you like about this video and comment down below, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video with some interesting talks and cooking, of course. Bye.